Well, there will be a difference in the way election-related cases will be prosecuted after today. The new set of guidelines launched by the Directorate of Public Prosecutions, Nuruddin Haji, will also affect leaders who fail to punish their juniors for participating in election-related offences. Leaders who fail to punish their juniors will have criminal charges instituted against them. And TV's Ngina Kirori has the details.
With 126 days to go for Kenyans to take to the ballots, an equally impactful exercise in the regulation of the election process is taking place amongst those in the justice system. Today, the Directorate of Public Prosecutions, Nuruddin Haji, launched a set of guidelines that could drastically change how election-related offences are prosecuted. Titled the Compendium on Electoral Justice, it will incorporate the command and superior responsibility principle.
Such as command and superior responsibility, where the commanders and superiors are criminally responsible for crimes of commission or omission by their subordinates.
Essentially what this means in the context of elections is that should a politician be found committing an electoral offence, their senior in command will be charged, should it be found that they did nothing to punish their junior. This, differing from previous proceedings where only the offender was charged. The IEBC is also keen on reforms taking place within the justice system, urging the judiciary to conclude existing election-related issues before August to avoid a collision of cases.
We already had a few cases, although some have been challenged on the issue of jurisdiction. I believe, Honorable CJ, the courts should fast-track the hearing of those cases so that they don't hamper other cases that may come up along the same lines.
The Law Society of Kenya, too, has raised the alarm on the judiciary being too understaffed to handle election-related cases and want the additional judges that have been advertised to be recruited.
As lawyers, we are extremely anxious about the capacity of the judiciary to handle the election petitions that are coming in light.
Chief Justice Martha Koome had in February issued a directive to magistrates handling all hate speech matters to conclude them by June.
We are also working on a plan of operationalizing hate speech courts in the hotspot areas to ensure that they are ready all the time to hear these matters.
The training to sensitize different officials under the DPP's office, the IEBC, among others, will continue for the next 3 days. Ngina Kirori, NTV.